Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly tips and tricks videos on using the library's digital resources. And today I have a really great resource that you might be interested in knowing about, and that's Gale's Career Transitions Database. Now, it could be if you're somebody who might be looking to change careers, or you're looking for a new job, or you're just interested in seeing what kinds of other careers and industries are out there. This might be a good resource for you to check out. Now, to start out with, if you're interested in checking it out, you'll want to go to our website at mywpl.org, and then you'll go down to Resources, and then you'll click on Online Databases. And if you scroll down by subject and click on Jobs and Careers, you'll see the Career Transitions database. And this is one of the ones that you will need a Worcester Public Library card to access. Now, if you're trying to access this from home, you'll click on this little icon that looks like a house, and you'll be taken to a page where you can type in your library card number and your PIN. Now, when you log into the Career Transitions database, you'll see that they have a whole wealth of options. You can search for jobs in your local area, similar to how you would do on other job search websites. You can click to go to a page where you can build a resume through a template, or also see other examples of different kinds of sample resumes. Same thing with cover letters. There'll be some cover letter templates and examples. You also have tips and advice for resumes, applying interviews. There's even interview simulations. So for various different types of fields, they would have little sort of mock interviews for you to practice. But if you're really interested in sort of discovering a new career, they have quizzes for assessing your career interest, browsing career paths, entering in your experience to find out what might be a good fit for you, as well as finding schools or programs if you're interested in pursuing a new career. They also have news articles, videos, just all sorts of interesting information. And you can use this without creating an account, but if you want to save your information, you just click on Create an Account to create a free account. So again, this was Gale's Career Transitions database. I hope you check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was Alex from the Worcester Public Library, and I will see you back here next week for another tips and tricks video. Thank you for watching.